Hello everybody, we're working on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. Right now we're ready for the programming of the first fob. We're going to push the start button once, and it's going to change from ready to fob 1 then ready to fob 2. As you can see, we put the fob in the cup holder right there. So it already learned this one. Now the car is ready for the second remote, which we're going to put in the cup holder. Sorry, hold on. Let the machine do its thing. So this one is already programmed. I have it out. The second one is in the cup holder right there. The machine is going to tell us if we want to program another key. We're going to tell it yes. It's going to tell us to put it in the learning slot, which is in the cup holder. We're going to press the start button once again, and it's going to switch out to ready to fob 3. And we don't want to do fob 3 because we're all done with fob 1 and 2. We're going to test it out. Already works. Now we're just going to close out the programming cycle, and we should be all good. So once again, we're programming new keys for a 2018 Chevy Equinox. The process did take about 12 minutes. We're just showing you the end. And also one more thing, guys, if your battery ever dies in the remote and you try to start the vehicle and it says no key detected, simply put the key fob right into the cup holder right there and put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.